Good morning, UNC Charlotte. Meteorologist Jacob Durham here with your forecast. Hope you all had a wonderful fall break. Jumping right in, today's weather highlights, we're going to have a rainy Wednesday. If you're out the door now, you sure are experiencing some heavy showers moving through. We're also tracking Hurricane Michael as it's barreling down towards the Panama City area in Florida. But we also have a flash flood watch through Thursday as Michael's rain will influence in our particular region with some gusty winds as we move through tonight and into tomorrow. Taking a look at the synoptic map, we do have Hurricane Michael down here along the Florida Peninsula. So if you're in that particular region, do stay weather aware. It's very important. This is a very dangerous storm. But we have this trough and wave that's actually influencing our weather today. So acting as a triggering mechanism as we have all this moisture coming up and it's kicking off those showers and storms. We do have a front off to the west that will influence Michael's movement and path. As it continues to move eastward, it'll pick up Michael and shoot it quickly off into the Atlantic once it moves through our area. If you're heading off to class around 9 o'clock, 70 degrees will be your temperature, and today's high is going to be 78 with that 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms as we move through the rest of the morning and into the afternoon and evening. Across the Atlantic Basin, we have three storms. We have Tropical Storm Nadine, which is supposed to move off to the north and west and just become a tropical depression later on this week. We also have Hurricane Leslie, who's been out there for quite some time now. Just a fish storm is going to move off to the north and east and weaken over time into a tropical storm. Our real main focus is Hurricane Michael, which is a Category 4 storm. It's very dangerous with 145-mile-an-hour winds. If you have any relatives, especially around the Panama City area and those surrounding areas, please make sure that they're safe and taking this very seriously because it's a very, very dangerous storm. As we take a look at the infrared satellite imagery of Michael, you can see these lighter colors, the whites and the light pinks. This is the taller cloud tops, the deeper convection. They're very strong storms that contain some of the strongest winds, but also you see the nice symmetrical pattern of it with the outflow boundaries indicating a very healthy hurricane. So we do need to take this very seriously. And as we head into the rest of the day and into tomorrow, you can see Hurricane Michael moving up through Georgia, South Carolina, into North Carolina, bringing heavy rain into the regions, especially along the eastern part of North Carolina where they were just hit hard with Hurricane Florence. So if there's any areas that really need to take caution, it's these areas that are still dealing with some of the flooding and aftermath from Florence, especially here into the Charlotte region. And as we take a look at our futurecast rainfall totals, 3 to 6 inches is a very good bet, especially as you head into Mecklenburg County and points south and eastward. As here in Charlotte, we're forecasting around 5 inches or so. But as you head off into the foothills, it's a little bit less, about 2 to 3 inches. But with the upslope flow in the mountains, they can enhance a little bit more rain with that southeast flow. So therefore, they're looking at about 3 to 5 inches is the best bet. As we head into the 7-day forecast, 78 degrees is your high today. That 80% chance of rain, and tomorrow 76, but more the same with that 90% chance as Michael really does begin to influence our weather and things really begin to cool back down as we head into the weekend and into Saturday and Sunday as more fall-like temperatures begin to settle in. Hope you have a wonderful day and stay dry out there, Charlotte.